Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking advancements in wearable technology and augmented reality as we look ahead to 2025 and beyond. Meta, the tech giant pushing the boundaries of AR and artificial intelligence, is making waves once again with its upcoming third-generation Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. These new glasses are expected to bring us closer than ever to fully immersive AR experiences, along with some other exciting wearable innovations. Let's break it all down. The evolution of Meta's smart glasses. A new era of wearables. Meta's journey into smart glasses has been a gradual evolution, starting with its Ray-Ban collaboration that introduced features like built-in cameras, AI-driven voice assistants, and hands-free connectivity. However, while these devices have been impressive, they have yet to achieve full AR functionality. That is all about to change in 2025 as Meta prepares to launch its first true augmented reality glasses, ushering in a new era of immersive digital experiences. Meta's next-gen Ray-Ban smart glasses. The Hypernova. One of the most highly anticipated releases in 2025 is Meta's high-end Ray-Ban smart glasses, codenamed Hypernova. These glasses are expected to retain the stylish aesthetic of their predecessors while incorporating a major new feature: an embedded microdisplay in the lower right lens. This display will allow users to view notifications, check messages, interact with AI-powered applications, and even access augmented overlays in the real world. Key features of the Meta Ray-Ban Hypernova glasses. Built-in display. A small, yet powerful, micro-LED display embedded in the lens for seamless interactions. AI-powered smart assistant. Integration with Meta AI to enable real-time assistance, voice commands, and context-aware notifications. Camera and video recording. Upgraded cameras for high-quality image and video capture, perfect for hands-free content creation. Improved battery life. Optimized power efficiency to support extended daily usage. Enhanced audio and microphone system. Crystal clear call quality and voice command responsiveness. Pricing and release. Expected to launch at a premium price of around $1,000, a significant jump from the $299 starting price of the previous Meta Ray-Ban models. While these enhancements make the Hypernova an exciting upgrade, they still do not offer full-fledged AR. That's where Meta's long-term project comes into play. The next leap. Meta's fully AR glasses. Project Artemis. While the Hypernova glasses are a major step forward, they are not Meta's ultimate AR vision. Previously, Meta had been developing a project codenamed Orion, which aimed to bring fully augmented reality capabilities to consumer-ready smart glasses. However, Orion faced numerous technical and logistical hurdles and was ultimately shelved. Instead, Meta has shifted its focus to a new initiative called Project Artemis, which aims to deliver the first truly immersive AR experience in the coming years. This next-generation AR headset will revolutionize the way we interact with digital content in real-world environments. Expected features of Meta's Artemis AR glasses. Full augmented reality display. True AR projections integrated into real-world surroundings, making interactions seamless and natural. Gesture and eye tracking. Advanced sensors for intuitive control without the need for physical buttons or controllers. AI-powered virtual assistant. An intelligent system capable of real-time translations, contextual recommendations, and personalized assistance. Lightweight design. Addressing a major challenge in AR glasses, Artemis will be significantly lighter and more comfortable than previous prototypes. 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Ultra-fast wireless capabilities to support AR streaming, cloud computing, and seamless device integration. Challenges and development hurdles. Developing true AR smart glasses is a massive technological challenge. Some key obstacles Meta faces include: cost. Advanced AR tech is expensive, and making it affordable for mainstream consumers remains a challenge. Display technology. AR visuals must blend seamlessly with real-world environments without lag or distortion. Battery life and processing power. Achieving a balance between lightweight design and high-performance processing is crucial. Manufacturing complexity. Producing AR glasses at scale while maintaining quality and durability is a difficult task. When can we expect Meta's full AR glasses? While the Meta Hypernova smart glasses are expected in 2025, fully augmented reality glasses under Project Artemis won't hit the market until 2027. This extended timeline will allow Meta to refine its AR technology, address production challenges, and ensure the best possible user experience before making AR mainstream. The future of augmented reality. What this means for consumers. Meta's continued investment in AR technology signals a future where augmented reality seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. From gaming and entertainment to education and workplace collaboration, AR has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital content. Imagine real-time translations, instant language translations appearing in your field of view, navigation and travel assistance, directions and landmark details overlaid onto real-world environments, virtual AI assistants, smart assistants that interact with your surroundings, providing context-aware insights, fitness and health tracking, augmented reality coaching for workouts and sports training, AR gaming and entertainment, fully immersive AR games that transform your physical surroundings into interactive worlds. Final thoughts. The road ahead for Meta's AR ambitions. Meta's long-term vision for augmented reality and AI-powered wearables is closer than ever to becoming reality. The 2025 release of the Meta Ray-Ban Hypernova smart glasses will set the stage for true AR innovations with the upcoming Artemis AR glasses in 2027. These advancements are shaping the future of smart wearables, AI integration, and immersive digital experiences. That's all for today's deep dive. If you're excited about the future of AR and Meta's smart glasses, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone, and I'll see you in the next video.